Hey everyone, let's give this Game Boy Pocket an upgrade. To get it looking like this, stay tuned. First things first, don't forget to drop a comment and subscribe to the channel to keep up with our tutorials. About this Game Boy Pocket from my brother, I wanted to give it an update, but I decided to install this kit as an IPS screen is quite pricey and this installation is relatively easy and affordable. We kick things off by opening it up with the tri-wing keys I picked up from AliExpress. First up, we disconnect the screen. Now onto the 3 screws on the motherboard, which are Phillips. Out with the dirty membranes. Carefully, we remove the screen using a tool commonly used in mobile phone repairs. Off comes the metal plate to make cleaning the case easier later on. Using isopropyl alcohol, we clean all the dirty parts, taking care not to rub off the serial number, as it tends to come off easily. Time for a thorough scrub. Now let's tackle the screen. We peel off the old film that's already burnt. With caution, we lift the old film, making sure not to leave any sticky residues. Next up, we notice that the film is burnt, so it's time for it to go. We use isopropyl alcohol and a precision blade to get rid of any leftover adhesive. Being careful not to damage the cable with the blade. Extra caution when detaching the screen cable, as it's fragile and prone to damage. We spot the burn spot and know it's time for replacement. As for the kit, I got it from AliExpress, and it includes the polarizing film, backlight, and a resistor, all for an affordable price. We'd mark the cut in the film and find the best position. Looking good, we spent some time cleaning the back thoroughly. It's crucial to remove any adhesive residue. After cleaning, we place the cotton swab at back to make residue removal easier. I'm to install the polarizing film. And let's clean the shell. Cleaning the shell is straightforward: warm water and soap, avoiding anything too harsh to prevent damaging the plastic. And don't forget to use an old toothbrush to get into all the nooks and crannies. We wash until it's sparkling clean, sometimes repeating the process to ensure all the dirt is gone. We let it air dry on the balcony, avoiding direct sunlight. And there we have it, dry and ready to go. Connect the screen back to the motherboard. Time to solder the resistor to enhance the contrast. The 100 ohm resistor makes a noticeable difference. We carefully solder the resistor in place. In doubt, here is the image indicating the color-coded reference for the wire. We finish off with some electrical tape for added security. Next, we solder the black wire to the GND. Mind your fingers around the soldering iron. We find the perfect angle to install the polarizing filter. With everything clean and dry, it's time to put the Game Boy Pocket back together. We secure the 3 screws on the motherboard. A quick test to ensure the buttons are properly seated. We power the screen, being cautious to avoid any lines on the image. Testing out the off button. First test completed and everything seems to be working perfectly. So folks, what do you think of the result? Take care and catch you in the next video. Thank you. See you soon.